What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we're back with another American reaction. Super excited about this video. If you're new to us
and we new to you,
make sure you scroll down,
hit that subscribe button,
and turn on the post notification bell
because we're on the road to 50K.
And we cannot get there without you guys, alright? Join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Y'all know it. Yeah, he's seen that here right now.
Enough rough.
Yo, he actually caught the tablet while it was flipping in midair. That's wild. Okay. Smooth selling right there. Sound like large dirt bikes. Let's get it. Oh, snap. I ain't see how that even happened. What? Like his car literally just slid off the road.
Yeah. These
are accidents that I don't usually see. I usually see them driving into something, but to slide off the road like your wheels didn't like it didn't.
He going too fast. I forgot just how disturbing these images are.
Yes, sir. Yes,
all right,
sir.
come on, let's get it.
Let's get it. Clean. Never agree with these sceneries, with the barns and the houses and everything.
Oh, because it's real houses.
Yeah, I never agree with that. That's crazy. Hey, so what happened? Y'all gotta put in the comment section. What happened whenever these incidents happen? Do they actually go back and pay for the damages?
Hey, Bill.
Let us know. Clean. Clean. He hit it just a little bit. Space and opportunity. Gotta know when to put that work in.
It look a little wet though.
It does. He cooking him.
Woo! Oh, we going off that.
I'm glad he got a clean stop. Yeah, he had a clean stop though. That was a safe stop. I ain't seen no crazy jumps yet. High speed chase right there. That chopper trying to keep up with him.
It looks so peaceful.
It does, right? It really does, man. When they get off them brakes, they gone. Save the camera. Man, he holding on to them edges.
Oh, okay.
He missed his turn. Yeah, I thought I seen the arrows.
I saw them people.
I don't know, it looked like it got better with time, you know. They're not jumping in front of the car like they used to.
Yeah, yeah.
It's been a minute, y'all. We haven't watched this in a minute. But he got a crowd tonight. Yeah, it's too dark to be making any mistakes. Let's go. Okay, okay. Man, I love how that sounds.
Listen, the routes where what they call it stages, I believe. The ones where it's in the middle of these little small towns with these little small roads. That's the ones that give me on the edge of my seat the most. Cause it's like I'm thinking of people homes. I'm not even thinking of the car.
Yeah.
I'm such a
the buildings and everything. Cause it's. I mean, we've seen Compact. You know what I'm saying? Compact. We've seen Impact where they had knocked buildings over and ran through them, and
yeah.
It's a lot of damage that be happening.
I do want to still go in person though.
Standing way in the back, huh? See?
Way back.
I'll ride one, man. I want to get inside one. Not for too long, though.
Test drive.
Just test drive the speed, you know? I got the wipers on. I'm about to drive, man. I'm about some good drivers. There you go, show off then.
All right, finally getting some jumps. That's my favorite part.
Y'all hear that though? Just slow down on that edge. This is my first time really hearing they call squeak like that.
That was a good one.
Break screaming. Ooh, they tighten up. Cutting the corners, man. That's just the type of spots right there. See all them houses. Straight shoes be lovely. Boy, them straight shoes be lovely. Stay on the road. Now you built different to ride at night, man.
I can listen.
You built different if you're riding at night like that, cause
I know that they have some people like who's a part of the the events that's staged around, but during the daytime there's the fans that are there to help them, get out of danger.
Like whenever they're car wreck and whatnot, they just push them out. Yeah.
But at night, what if nobody's in that particular area that they
they gotta hop out. They gotta hop out and do it themselves. All waiting for the chopper to come.
The chopper.
He's flying too. Man, hey. And we got a winner. You know what I'm saying? I remember our first time being introduced to rally racing. You guys put us onto it, and we fell in love with it. We really did.
Yeah.
And now it's like, I know what to expect, but that anxiety still comes. Like, it just don't leave. Like, I really get excited when I watch it, you know?
Yeah, we need some more point of views so we can see inside of the car.
Dude had the whole tablet fly and he caught it. Y'all caught that? That's fire. That's fire.
I like that.
One of them.
Yeah, so this was a cool video. We hope you guys enjoyed it with us. Send us some more. All right.
Yes, do that. Do that.
Like the video, subscribe. We'll see you soon.
Peace.